Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Eze-Ana, Orifte, Makajubu. I'm only seeing Chuan and Uchitu and a temple. I know about family, because on the body teacher. Apokas money seeing Chuan and ordinary restoration evangelical mission. William Masu, so you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Before we proceed with today's questions, is there anything else you wish to say to our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, as you are hearing my voice, you are blessed already. As you are hearing my voice, keep sharing our messages. It shall be well with you. Thank you.
First question. Some people believe that polygamy brings crisis. What is your take on that?
What I want to say about that is not actually the truth. The truth of the matter is that most people, what they're actually practicing is not really polygamy. Instead, what they practice is Christian polygamy, which is wrong. Yes. The twist where we call it, so you will lie on it. Once the foundation is faulty, definitely it will fall. Yes. You must lay solid foundation. Let me give you an example. From my mother's side, my grandfather was a polygamist. He has 3 wives. Yes, and my mother is from the first wife. From my father's side, my grandfather was a polygamist, yes, which would also bloody beer. Although my father has only one because my father is a Christian. But let me tell you, why some this thing collapse is that you cannot practice. And then when manual cheer by a manual food. Even Jesus in the Bible. Now, I want to show you on your cheese up, yes, up. On your cheese, Akuru, yes, Akuru. Upon that image here, Christianity and polygamy, meaning monogamy and Christianity, do not work. The foundation is already dead on arrival. So, what people practice is Christian polygamy, meaning working with a polygamist. Yes. Then Manon and 2 or 3 wives. This one they Anglican, this one they Catholic, this one they Sabbath. Okay? The marriage is already gone. There will be crisis. You know why? Because they don't have the same faith. The only Catholic brugo the mindset that Nekos are not social as polygamy. Only Anglican a brunk, only Sabbath a brunk. Therefore, and Hagi those mindset. Well, by then Hagana after the first one and after the second one, I seem to do that. And then by then we do hours in Imo. So for me, I want nature able a polygamist. As you walk in Margo, you don't want to pass. Okay? Yes. Because you may want to manual by the manual for polygamy is a doctrine of ordinana, while monogamy is doctrine of Christianity. So you are where only Obona Egano must be only Gabo, only ordinana. Believe in ordinana, teaching and doctrine into two. Kokweme. And the what he hedika, ne no charia, only a ne joker. He are well from day one. Yes. Obo ne chikotare like this. Hanina no ronda 1/3. He are kowa. Only all the maya, only all the maya from day one. So that only the bro full wiser. 1/3. Kagari won't get a no tankuzi also, can spoil the marriage. Or they not spoil no mass. Cow basic thing. Thank you.
In polygamous marriages, is it a must for oaths to be taken?
Yeah, thank you for that question. It's a must because the old token is the fabric, the foundational fabrics. You can't do without it. Let me give an example. In Christian religion, and when you have a born about that is where they took oath that for better for worse, not in here. Okay. I don't have but one you need to wear my own opportunity that could go again take. Monobona polygamy. He gave me from the first one. Number first one, Gabriel a polygamist. Somebody that embrace and understand that the husband is a polygamous man. Now, for that reason, ọ ga-abụ onye mere impress that they are willing to accept co-wives. Now after that, iduo onye n'iyi otu token. Otu token nwere process. Ọ bụrụ na ị dị interested, agwa gị the process. The chart is agwa gị the process. A ga-ebu ya n'iyi. Enwere ka esi perform the ritual na ya compound. Na ngwu ka ị ga-eme ya in the open. Emesịa ya atụ ogwu, enwere ka esi eme ya. Ọnwụ iyi tọọjị dị na ya na ya kwenyere na ya nọ na this oath. And kwenye na onwe co-wives ya na ya ma akpọ onye ọbụla asị and ya ma akpọ ụmụ onye ọbụla asị. And na ya ga-afụ gị gbọ di ha the lord of the family n'anya. O kwecha that oath, that oath of allegiance and submissiveness. Now ka pass ya. Onwe ka isi wee rute the second one. Unu niile apụtakwa. You take another oath again. That will include the first one and the second one. You officiate it. Then, if the wedding is and the third one is coming, all of them will be involved. If you pass through two process, I can tell you there will be harmony. If you like, I can tell you my okay. Like I say, matter. I'm on one day and no mesobi. Family in the family in the band. About the all family were 3 wives, but that family is one of the family and will peace. So it all depends on how the father of the house love them, all of them equally, and be fair to all. As you don't qualify what they like within you. Based on it, also everybody is. Man, nobody here goes in the public. The same way I've been a family. Nana mucha, and well okay. Nana nakafanya. Based on Kanaki, Louis, one equal. My name may go see you freely. Even when others now wonder say, Daddy, I'm a nigga, well, if we get to I say, no, I love all you all. You are all my children. You may put that. Man, lip down you, Emma. And the only guy catch a phone based on the Rubisi will he can marry an answer. But on the surface, show them equal love and sharing and everything. Thank you.
What is your opinion on women calling their husbands pet names?
Nah, I will not call that one Alo because we could boy out of Alo. But I can tell you, it's unacceptable. How can a matured man, the lord of the family, the priest of the family, reduce himself to be calling baby? You know what baby means? If you accept that you're a baby, you will be treated as such. Baby means one anguala. Then you will be giving you breast to suck as a baby. Then you lose the authority as a man and the lord of the family. So reject it. Say what was you are the lord of that family. Don't accept it. All you have to say that nine. You know that? Yes. D means master. G is master. Namuku, my lord, Kamala. As a Dibia, master of knowledge. Dinta, master of hunting. DG, master of farming. So D, about a joke. Stop reducing their master, your master. Odogu, there is no. Reduce, so instead of in that title, be fit you reduce to your own out of ignorance. Accepting baby, okay? In the go, I got to treat it as such. You know that? So, sorry, when I was in the world, very front and back, I do accept it, but now I reject it. You want to make it knock it baby. Afa one and bomb, it was just nobody heading up for the Afa. Nobody heading Afa. Okay, Ijeku, His Excellency. Go back and actual Anambra State. Everybody His Excellency. Boya, Soludo. Boya, one board. Okay, for that disrespect. You know that? Boya, that Afa one. Ended by virtue of being the Akanachor. That is respect. More if you are bishop, happy whatever his eminence. Boy, if I name my beer, the village, after that disrespect. So you're not going to for the fact that this man Abrugo your Lord. You go to the Bible, you have Abraham, Sarah, dear Abraham, my Lord. He happened a court, or court, judge, your Lord. Be a pastor, where Lord, man, I bet you no, Dina no gano, Yao chief priest, Obruno Kema, Obruno Wabi, Bangala. So I can tell you, even the case no one or one way heading aha. And not they be done alpha. That alpha and a game on they create that mindset of a little baby. After all, they be an India. Thank you.
So are you saying that calling pet name in marriages is wrong?
Not actually all depend on the kind of pet name because pet name differs. But I'm talking about those pet name that is blatantly. Like when I gave instances that baby means baby symbolizes somebody that is still breast sucking. You understand that it doesn't befit the priest of the household. But over there, but let's say Judy Austin and the pet and the UL. Eze-Ana Agun Deje. You understand? It's immediately I gotta call for those is to celebrate her hero. You understand? So like when they are like I'm also title holder. He come to me and help me with my also title name or Akaju. It's not belittling me because it's what I deserve. Or them that those are not my names. They are also pet name, but befitting one. So, but when you are even if you're thinking about calling your husband pet name, think is this one? Is this what it's supposed to be, or are you seeing your husband as your mate, as in somebody that is a child play? So for me, I started the example of calling baby and other pet names that's in the same category. So name you are call your husband should be the one that will be fitting. The same way, if you call your husband can even we normally have pet name for our wives. You understand? When I want na to oma Kennedy, you Natalia, Brazil don't know what can you. The tap where the back. See, go Eze. How was your night? Okay, no, we see or the nobi, more gum or whatever. So on the 9 I'll give me a mark and a Natalia 9. 2 years funny, 2 broya, the 2 years, 2 years. As I go to Bolo, second or 2 accounts. What up organized one? Or 2 half 1 week or 2 be there. 2 half on it doing based on he may achieve. That I won't care as if no woman. So you know, Kuma Kiabona, I feel Nabo, Nabrafa, who after go see all honest, highest respect. Yabona forgot way pota. If a pastor, you're pastor baby. No, in your Nukutafa. A better than a dig Abrumokim or Brusia baby. Dal.
What is your opinion about men who like to be called baby as pet name in their homes?
Yes, thank you for that question. Some of those men are not actually men, for and they doesn't understand how things work. How can you throw away what makes you the man, the head of the family? You understand? Yeah, I want to mana equesiri inwe the road lines. So I can tell you that okay, I want to bury Mario. I can tell you, there's some baby that time. And that time I was behaving like a baby, still sucking breast. But I can tell you, now I want to get mature in life. In Malon, now that colony with that name might influence her decision and her look. It was her fatagi. I want to make and both further, or they have fatagi as whom she is supposed to be taking order from at the priest of the house. I'm going to can have fantastic as baby while the pastor my lord. The night about the watch him the pastor I been a bone. It told you about the pastor they can hear. Man, I can go a blues here, baby. So I'm matching wagon now. Yeah, we will work. I won't work. I will work. Come on, now. Can respect the question again. We can do that. Now,
why did you decide to drop your English name, Paul?
Thank you. That English name was given to me in Mary by my parents because they were Christians. Now, when I was growing up, I noticed that some certain funny things that it's like I'm belittling myself. And when I began to research, I found that name did not suit me in any way. Paul simple means little. Well, look at me. I'm 6.2 feet tall. Do I look little? When I was answering that name, I keep on being belittling myself and keep hovering around. But since I become conscious of my existence, I threw away that name where it belongs in protest. That I will never accept anything little. I'm not little, both in spirit and physical. And since that time, believe in me, I dusted my real name given to me by my parents when I was born. Real Chukunonyelum, believe in me, Chukunanyelum till date. And I have seen the effect. I don't know what they are passing through. Some of you are answering them that doesn't mean anything. And they keep having a negative effect on you. Remember the story of Jabez. Some of you that we say name doesn't count. Jabez means pain. And when you throw out that name where he belongs, as a better name, favor begin to locate him. Sometimes, name you are bearing has negative effect on what is happening to you right now. Thank you.
What is your view on dating and its duration before marriage?
Yes, from the ancient tradition, and well, dating is allowed. Yes, dating is allowed in the sense that in Igbo culture, man and woman, nwaanyị je mee expression of interest ịkụ aka n'ụzọ. O nwere oge ọ na-eru asị nwaanyị ka o jee neta ana mgbe ahụ nwaanyị nwere ike nọ like 5 days or even 1 week as case may be. O jee na family ngwuru ahụ ọ na-eji ọ chọrọ iji ije dị onye interact ya with nne di nene ya akwụkwọ. Nwoke ọ na-abịa nene ya akwụkwọ amarụ ka o si eme asụkwara ya azụ, ọmụkọ ka esi egbo ntụ ụtụtụ, ọmụkọ ka esi aza ezi, ọmụkọ ka esi ekene ọmụkọ ka esi eme nke ma ọ bụ nke ọzọ. Eneresia ya akwụkwọ ọ bụrụ na ọ pas ya, nne di ya egotasịara ụfọdụ ihe, nwere ihe ndị be di ya egotara ọ ga-eji wee na ihe niile ahụ egotarịa ya egosi ndị be nne ya na ebe o je nneta ana na-anabatara ya. Mana ọ bụrụ na agbawa ya aka ihe ọpụtara bụ na ọ dara wofuli and the marriage cannot proceed. So mgbe gburugburu a na-eme nneta ana, mana the worst thing enwezi n'ụwa kịta mgbe ahụ kwarị mgbe a na-anụ nwaanyị bụ ezo na agbụrụ na-ama nne na nne ya na ha bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Yet ana nna agbụ ka abịazere agbụ, mana despite that nwekwa room for esi ka enenezie ya nwatakịrị ahụ akwụkwọ na onwe n'isi na agbụ ya o felụkwa marriage end ya. Talk more of now. Enwere ozi ihe dịka mmadụ nwere ike isi ebe a na-anụ onye ogoja ọmọrọ the root nothing. So that is the reason, because ọ na-awa ebugharị egwu ebugharị ọnọdụ. Now ebe ọ hụrụ ebugharị gị egwu na anyị na-ejezi anụ mba inwe ike na-ebanye n'onye Enugu siri ma onye Ebonyi ịmara ọrụ uche. Now based on that, any dị ka enwe a little bit longer period for courtship so that you were able to know the person, know how he reason. Yes, know how he reason and know if this person can be compatible to you. Then, because character-wise matters. Then duration, but I want the opinion that duration is too long. If you ask me, I will say 6 months is enough. Maximum, that kind of 1 year, 12 calendar months. Thank you.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries and deep consultation, you can as well DM him with that same number. It's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, as you under the influence of my voice, you are blessed already. It's a privilege. Make good use of this message you had today. It's a life-changing one. Can we say?